Hi, today we're going to talk about chemical reactions by Antonella Aro, Neo Garcia, Fernanda Fernandez, and David Tinoco. But how do we balance reactions? We made a flowchart explaining how chemical reactions are balanced. First, you have to write a chemical equation for the reaction. Then you have to count the atoms in reactants and products. Remember that reactants is the starting substance that react and the products is the new substance produced. Are the numbers of each type of atom the same? If yes, the equation is balanced. If not, you have to choose a coefficient that balance the equation. Remember that coefficient represent the number of units of each substance taking part in a reaction. To balance correctly, you must multiply the coefficient with a subscript or add. Recheck the number of each atom on each side of the equation. Adjust the coefficient again if necessary. Because by using coefficient, some elements may change their number, so if this happens, you have to balance again. Reactions.
A tiny magnesium strip was put in a Bunsen burner with a tongue, and at first nothing happened. But then, after a while, the flame of the Bunsen burner, instead of being blue, it became a little bit orange, and quickly after that, the magnesium strip began to produce a sharp light. The magnesium was removed, and it seemed like magnesium was in ashes, white ashes. So we know that this reaction was exothermic because it produced heat. It's exergonic because it produced light, and is a synthesis chemical reaction.
Reaction 2. This reaction is double displacement. Before the reaction, we saw that lead nitride and potassium iodide were clear. During the reaction, we mixed them and both were clear. Then they become yellow and then it was precipitated. After After the time, we saw yellow solid at the bottom and at the top there was a yellowish liquid. In this reaction, the temperature didn't change.
No lo muevas, se tiene que quedar.
Reaction 3. This reaction was single displacement and it was also exergonic and exothermic. At first, hydrochloric acid is clear and magnesium stripe is a silver color. During the reaction, we add the magnesium stripe. Then bubbles start appearing and magnesium stripe is disappeared at the bottom of the test tube. Then we added fire and it produced a noise that means that is energy. The temperature in this reaction did change.
Toquen el botón del test tube. Se calienta.
Ay,
Se calentó el botón del test tube. Ya. Esa cosa
¿es exothermic?
lo pones ahí. 1, 2, 3.
Is connected to the gas, and as we open the gas handle, it produces a peculiar smell, and through the gas, you can see a little bit blurry. Once fire is added, methane gas quickly reacts with the fire, and it keeps the Bunsen burner going. The flow of oxygen is controlled, and more oxygen makes the fire more blue and little, while less oxygen makes the flame bigger but less little. This is an exergonic and exothermic reaction because it produces heat, and is a combustion because it produces H2O and carbon dioxide.
Estoy bien padre.
Sí.
¿Ya? Ahora.
This reaction is endergonic and endothermic. On this reaction, chloric acid solution will react with sodium bicarbonate and the temperature will go down.
No. Sí. Pero esta no es la espátula. No, yo te dije que esa no era la espátula. So you should be checking out what happens. What was the temperature at the beginning?
21.
So look at it. O sea, cuando digo Neo,
Yes.
The type of reaction is exothermic and decomposition. On this reaction, hydrogen peroxide in the presence of potassium iodide will break down into water vapor and oxygen gas. Before the reaction, it was kind of liquid and dense. After the reaction, it turned into foam. The temperature rise.
Video. Oh.
Ay, se va a tardar en subir. ¿Qué pasa si le ponemos? Quítate.
17 gas. No gas.
Reaction 7. The type of reaction is single and replacement. On this reaction, copper is placed in a solution of silver nitrate. Copper will begin to change its color and the new substance will be visible after 24 hours. The temperature doesn't change.
Okay, add more. Just to cover the copper.
Like that.
And we're doing placing on the card. Just use some mastic.
Toma fotos.
We made the conclusion that there are signs that show you that a chemical reaction is happening. These signs include a gas being produced, precipitate produced, production of heat, and a light is a very good sign, but it does not always means a chemical reaction is happening. A color change that is normally accompanied with something like gas, precipitate, or light, and a change of odor. Synthesis is when substances come together and form a new substances. Decomposition is the opposite of synthesis. One substance separates into two or more. When an atom or ion replaces another in a substance, it is called single displacement or replacement. A double displacement or replacement is when two different things are replaced. Equations are balanced because according to the law of conservation of mass, mass cannot be destroyed or created.